Give me. Do the greedy. Wanna do the greedy? Wanna do the greedy? Say hi. Say hi. Oop. No. Come on, do the greedy. You okay? You don't want to do the greeting? Okay. Okay, someone doesn't want to do the greeting. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey, everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey, and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello. Sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to my SheaMoisture Manuka honey and Mafura oil product review. I do this every time. I know what I'm going to review, but then the name, I always mess up the name. So that's why I have to hold up the product because I forget these names. Okay. So if you guys want to know about the two pieces I actually purchased from this line, stay tuned. All right. All right. You guys know I have a story. Well, this is not even a real story. I was at Target. And actually, no, before that, my sister texted me and sent me a picture of the two, I think it was like two pieces from the line that they came out with. And she was like, oh, I want to try it. And I said, all right, you know me, I'm down for whatever when it comes to new hair products. So, or new pieces to align on hair products. So I picked up the, let's see, the Max Hold Gel and the leave-in conditioner from this line. So let's just run through my routine. Y'all know the routine. I wash my hair, I condition. For my deep conditioner, I actually pulled out an oldie but goodie. I actually have used the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And this is with African Rock Fig and Baobab oil. And this is a 12-ounce jar. I've actually used this before. I had some left. I'll let you guys see that right there. And this is all I actually have left. Still smells good. I was using this for a while, and I actually love this deep conditioner. I think it's really good. It really moisturizes my hair, and I love it. I love the way this makes my hair feel after I steam it. I actually steam for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and this works really well. The next thing, one of the first two things that I picked up from the new pieces, this is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk with fig extract and baobab oil. And on the bottle, it says hydrate and style dry damaged hair. This is sulfate free and color safe. This is an 8 fluid ounce bottle. Let's get into this for a little bit. I like the product. Let's see, you could see the bottle right there. It is a very thick, this is a really thick leave-in conditioner. I like it because it's thick, but I don't like it because it's thick. And you could probably look at my hair and you could probably understand why I like it and I don't like it. And you can see it right there. I'm actually looking at my monitor through my ring light. You can actually see it here. But we're going to get into that in a second. The next thing that I used was the Hydrate and Design Max Hold Gel with fig extract and baobab oil. And this is a 12 fluid ounce jar. Also, let me see if I can show this to you without it falling out of the jar. There it is right there. It is not an overly thick gel, which is kind of deceiving for me. Because when I was putting in the gel, I thought I didn't have enough, but I could tell it was actually working. So it's one of those gels. It's not bad, but it's not good. Okay, as you guys see my hair right here, and I'm going to, of course, I have pictures of my hair throughout the week. I had residue from day one. It didn't even, I thought originally the residue was from the leave-in. So I was like, okay, I'm going to sit with it for 2 days because I do my hair on Sundays. I co-wash on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I said, okay, Tuesday, I'll change the leave-in that I use and I'll just use the Alakay the Alakay spray leave-in, and I'll do that instead. Maybe it's the leave-in. So I co-washed my hair, and I actually used the As I Am Long and Luxe Grow Wash yesterday, and I did that. And I used the Alakay leave-in, and then I woke up this morning to all of this, and you're gonna see it all in the pictures. When I get done recording this video, I'm immediately getting in the shower and I have to rewash my hair, and I cannot go another day at work. I was originally going to record this video probably Friday or Saturday and just go do the whole week, but the residue and the flakes, it is, I mean, if I was wearing black like I was yesterday, it would have been really bad. I mean, actually, if I had on my jacket I wore to work, you would have really saw it. I just like touched one curl and it was like snow on my lapel, on my collar. It was bad. It is bad. Let me see if I can get in close and you can see. There you go, right there. There it is. There it is. You think I was gray? I mean, by looking at me in the camera, you would think I was gray, but no, it's not. I mean, I do have gray hair up front there. I have a skunk stripe of gray hair, but no, it's residue. What annoys me is that if you look at my hair looks good. It is well defined. The curl clumpage is nice. I love how it looks, but when you touch it, it's a snowstorm of residue. I mean, it's a snowstorm of residue. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be loud. I am taking an L. I just like, I didn't want to take an L, but I'm taking an L. I am taking an L on this one. And it's not even a full L because if you look at my hair looks good. That's what upsets me about this product. This is actually the second gel from SheaMoisture that I have used. If you guys remember, SheaMoisture has a gel for the which lines? The one in the pink, the coconut oil and hibiscus line, and they have a gel in that line, and that gel was bad. It was really really bad. So I was just like, okay, maybe they've improved because that was years ago when I used that. That was probably like my first or second year natural. So I'm like, okay, they've probably improved. No, they have not improved. No, no improvements. So, okay, I'm gonna ask you all know the inevitable question. Would I buy this? Would I use it again? The gel, no. The deep conditioner, yes. The leave-in, yes. This gel is a hell no. I'm sorry. It ain't happening. If I could throw this across the room and guarantee that it wouldn't open, it would get thrown. But I'm not going to throw it. I'm going to be good today. And I'm trying not to shake too much. Thank goodness I am wearing a light colored shirt because yesterday, damn, it was like snow. It was like I lived in, I don't know, the Siberia. I don't know, freaking, North Pole. Snow everywhere. On my pants, on my jacket, on my shirt. It was snow. So no, I would not buy this again. Seriously, I would not buy this again. Let me think. That's really it. I can't even say anything else about this product without me just going into a bashing session, and I'm not, because I'm about to, when I get done, my dryer's on the other side of the camera. I'm going to bring it back around here and jump in the shower and wash my hair because I cannot go another day like this. You all saw it. I can't. This is not happening today, okay? It's just not. So, that is it for this video. If you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up. I do my 2 thumbs. Please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, there's a red button that says subscribe. Click that. There's a bell beside it so you can get notified of when my videos, upload. And when they upload on Sundays, 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. And that's about it. We have videos right here and right here of last week and week before's hair reviews and all that other fun stuff. And if you want to subscribe from here, you can just click on my face with the short hair and just click on me and subscribe. And I will be really, really happy and thankful. And that's about all. I'm going to get out of here because I'm going to go do my hair. Like, not now, but right now. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.